quarter of over 75 million MSMEs in India were anticipated to face closure in the lockdown implemented in March 2020 in India. 4 out of 10 restaurants will shut down permanently in the aftermath of COVID-19. Over 6.8 lakh Indian companies have shut down in India till mid-2019. Over 33% of small businesses and self-employed businessmen see no viability in reopening, though coronavirus has aggravated the problems. But it's not the sole reason. These businesses are the beating heart of the Indian economy. Apart from the health and safety of self and loved ones, money is the biggest concern for businessmen in these unprecedented times. While businesses are always surrounded by risks in some form or the other, for example, market risks, human capital risks, regulatory risks, and production risks, business owners are now worried about deploying cash in their business given the uncertain economic outlook, weak consumer demand, and doubtful recovery of money owed. This also increases their concerns about their financial future given the current uncertainties. But the good news is that there is hope at the end of this dark tunnel, a guarantee ka wada for a better financial future. Max Life brings to you an opportunity that can help you mitigate your future financial risks by repurposing your uninvested money or a part of your gains with Max Life insurance plans, which offer guaranteed returns and life cover too. That will earn you a guaranteed tax-free returns irrespective of the uncertainties in life. So why keep your money idle when you can get guaranteed returns in addition to life cover with it? Meet your Max Life agent advisor today and secure your financial future with us. Because for us and your loved ones, you are the difference.